Hey guys, once again, this is CryptoCrayze coming to you with that quick analysis of the Bitcoin price. Here we just quickly got a graph up of Bitcoin over the last year or so. And I guess it's very easy for people to say, well, what made it go from literally buying pizzas to buying houses? And then what makes it drop straight down? And how do we know where to go? So I just want to give you a quick update, just a quick idea on how to understand what's going on with the prices nowadays, at least in the recent times over the last month or so. So if we take a look at the price, we know that it peaked around January, around December last year, about $19,000. And then we see that there was quite a dip in coming to the end of December, peaked up a little bit at start of January, but took a real hard fall, especially around January 16th. That was a hideous fall. And from there, we really got caught up in a downward wedge, and the price kept going lower and lower. We didn't seem to recover, and you can constantly see the supports getting lower and lower as well. So now we're at a point where Bitcoin is about 8,000 in terms of price. And 8,200 right now, and it's a difficult time. We don't really know where it's going to go. But what I will say is several things that do drive the price is one, whales, big boys in the market. They are really key when it comes to determining Bitcoin's price. As you can see, in the space of a day, Bitcoin's price changed by about $1,000. Now that's just a day graph. If I was to be able to zoom in a bit more, you'd actually see that this kind of jump happened within minutes, if not hours, if not minutes, more like. And that's quite crazy. And the main thing that you need to know there is that the big boys essentially buy in and sell out big time, especially at close of market. So that's 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. in the UK times, give or take 15-20 minutes. You'll see huge market swings usually around those particular periods, like clockwork almost. And that's something you really want to pay attention to and be cautious of, especially because what the whales tend to do is they tend to buy in when it's low, the more people buy in, and when it's high, they sell, and then that causes mass hysteria, and a lot of people start selling all of a sudden because they panic. And then, constantly it's a cycle where the big boys profit. Those with a lot of money make more money, and those without lose what they do have. So that's one thing to bear in mind. And the second thing to bear in mind is tax. Right now, tax is key. We're starting a new tax year, and so everyone's buying in like crazy. And whilst everyone's buying in, it's I guess everyone's freed up money to invest and those kind of things. They're free from the tax man, free from the man, and because of that, that means they're able to invest to their heart's content at the moment. So you can expect more investors getting involved, especially as they handle their taxes. They've cut their profit for the last year, and now they're in a fresh new year. Unless you're dodging tax, and so therefore you should be able, in my mind, to expect good things for Bitcoin's price over the next month or two. I definitely don't think that the whales would like to keep on skimming low profits when they could really see Bitcoin's price double if they play it right. So that's me. That's CryptoCrayze giving you a quick analysis on the price of Bitcoin right now. If you like what you see, like, subscribe, tell a friend, and yeah, hopefully I'll be able to give you guys some more analysis and more reviews of what's happening in the market. So, and some more trading tips as well. And that said, this is CryptoCrayze. Have a good day, guys. Cool.